In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lazada error OC03. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, we need to understand what this error actually is. So now this error appears when your order or payment can't be completed due to a few different things. So this can be payment verification issues, suspicious activity, account activity, multiple failed transactions, bank or card security blocks, or VPN or unstable internet connections. So I'm going to run through a list of ways how to fix this. So the first fix is to remove any VPNs or disable them. So if you've got any VPNs running in the background, go ahead and disable them. Now the next fix is to switch your internet connection. So we want to go ahead and try a different network. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or vice versa. Now the next fix is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So go ahead and find Lazada, click and hold down the app, click I to get an app info, click the storage and go ahead and clear your cache and clear data. Now the next fix is go to your Player App Store and make sure Lazada application is up to date. So search for it. If it says update, go ahead and update the app and then try again. Now the last fix here is to wait a few hours basically. So if you tried everything I've said, go ahead. So sometimes Lazada temporarily blocks payments after multiple failed attempts. So wait up to 24 hours and try again. Now if it still doesn't work, we want to go ahead and contact Lazada customer support. So basically to do this, the best way is open up a web browser, type in Lazada customer support and hit enter, and then we want to go ahead and click on the first result. So they got a hotline number here, so choose your country. So they got a number here we can call, and they might have an email account, so keep scrolling down. So there's a number here, or we can go ahead and chat live with them. So go ahead and chat live if you don't want to talk on the phone, and just basically say what error you're getting, take a screenshot, send it to them, and then they'll show you or tell you what you need to do to actually fix it.